Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download data from Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Finance website. Wait for the page to fully load. Before you do anything else, make sure you are signed into your account. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see a menu area. Find the option called My Portfolio. Move your mouse over this option without clicking. When you hover over it, look for the option called My Watch List. Click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can see all the stocks or markets that you have added to your watch list in the past. Take a moment to look at the list. Each item will show basic information like price and change. Now move your attention to the top area of this list or chart section. Look carefully for a button or link that says Download. Once you find the download option, click on it. A prompt will appear on your screen. It will give you choices for how you want to save the data. You may see options like printing the portfolio or saving it as a CSV file. Choose the option that works best for you. If you want to work with the data in a spreadsheet, select the CSV file option. After you choose, the file will either download to your computer or open in a print window. Thanks for watching.